everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging a bit today. Kicking off outfit of the day, where you get a week of outfits, you get puppies, PA weather, and a little bit of life in there. I'm Laura if you're new. I do lots of furry sidekicks. Dexter the Beagle, Loki, the Westie. See if you can, there's a little nose. We have Willie, my son's dog, who's a Jack Russell, and let's not forget our kitty, Harvey, you may see as well. It is Sunday morning, and let's see, 54 degrees, getting up to 58. The sun is out. It looks really nice outside, but it feels a little biting. It's like a little chilly out there. And it's just going to be a busy week, as always. So I'm very late in doing this. It's already after 1 o'clock, but we have a busy week ahead. So we're trying to do all the things on a Sunday, right? So for my outfit, I'm pretty casual. I have on Days denim from a Wantable. I have on a Spiritual Gangster sweatshirt. I love this one. It fits so nicely and it's soft. This one is from a Trendsend a long time ago. I have on a loft belt. And for my shoes, how about these fun tennies from Dolce Vita? And that's my outfit for today as we get going. Loki, you want to say hi to everybody? You want to say hi? He's looking in the mirror. You want to say hi? Want to say hi? All right. I hope your week starts off amazing, and I will see you tomorrow with another outfit. Hey, everybody. It is Monday. Time for outfit of the day. It is 57 degrees, supposed to get up to 66 today. Cloudy today. And let's see, my Armoire posted such a good one, right? I really love the pieces I picked out. I have so much fun with Armoire. I get to try these like uber expensive pieces. Sometimes I feel like I can't part with them. Like right now I'm thinking about keeping that magenta bomber. I loved it. I tried to search for it and I can't find it anywhere else. So I'm trying to debate if I should keep that one or not. All right, and so for my outfit today, I have on Liverpool denim, a Liverpool jean jacket. Both of these came from a JB Stylebox. I love them together with the light and dark contrast. Paired it with a Be Cool t-shirt I just picked up at a boutique. Love the color. And then for shoes, I went with a pattern. How about these fun leopard mesh sandals? And these are mesh mules, and these are from Steve Madden. If I can get my words out today. And then for jewelry, I just put on a bracelet stack from a Trendsend and my necklace my husband got me. And we're off and running. The week has started. All right, I hope you're doing well. I'll catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, time for outfit of the day. Dexter's helping today. The other puppers declined to join me. And it's a beautiful day out today, so beautiful. 76 degrees out, the sun was out, it feels warm. I think there's some rain coming later today, but it was such a pretty day. So I got ready quickly. I decided to sleep in because I got to get up super early tomorrow. So then I didn't have a lot of time to get ready today. So I did a one and done and grabbed this Sea Supply dress that I got in a Trendsend, I believe it was, last year. Paired it with a cardigan, also from a Trendsend and also from Z Supply. And then for my shoes, these little DV by Dolce Vita little slip-on that I got in a Stitch Fix. For jewelry, I just have on the necklace my husband got me, and that was it. I was off and running. All right, I am traveling tomorrow and got to get packing, so I will see you in the morning. Hey everybody, it is Wednesday, time for outfit of the day. It is raining, although I do think that will stop. 63 degrees, getting up to 68. And it's 4:30 in the morning. I gotta get going. For my outfit today, I have on Sanctuary pants. I got at the Reeve store. I love these, so comfy. Paired with just a loft black tank, a jacket, and I think this one, where is this one from? What is that? BB Dakota. So my jacket is by BB Dakota. Got it in a Wantable. And then for shoes, my Cosy Island. How about these fun shoes? Jewelry, I have on necklaces my husband got me and my bracelet stack. And I think I'm ready to go. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. Whew, and I'm exhausted. Luckily, I'm going to try to sleep in tomorrow and take tomorrow off because I need it. But I'm dressed super comfortably for today. But I love this outfit. The pants are from Liverpool. The jacket is from Liverpool. I love this little matching combination. My top is by, I think it's 1520, and I got it in a front door fashion. The two Liverpool pieces I actually got at a boutique. And then I just put on my Steve Madden. You see those a lot when I'm doing my videos. These are just such an easy shoe that just go with everything. For jewelry, I have on exactly the same jewelry that I had on yesterday. And I'm ready for the day. It is 51 today, only getting up to 56, so it is a cooler day today. All right, we're almost at Friday. I will see you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Friday, time for outfit of the day. It is cloudy, but the sun's going in and out. The temperature is 69, getting up to 76 today with some winds, some rain, but 76 degrees, so that's amazing. I was just outside with the puppers, and it feels really nice out there. It feels like spring. There's buds on the trees. Like, it's just, I'm in all the spring vibes, let me tell you. All right, so Friday Funny, this one my son captured for me. So you know how they love, the trio of terror loves to play on the pool cover. Well, they also like to play, apparently, in the fish pond. So here they are terrorizing the fish with their ball. And you can see Loki desperately wants to get a hold of that ball. Really. And you might ask me, well, how did he not fall in? And guess what? The answer is, he did. Didn't catch that on film, but did get a couple snapshots of it. So, yeah, they're one with the fishies, too. They're going to start playing in the fish pond. Willie wasn't as adventurous, but Loki's all in. For my outfit today, and then I think I forgot to mention my VI peel with the Tox Boost. I did a thing video posted on Wednesday. I sure hope you stick around. Tell your friends. That was such an interesting one. I had no idea what a VI peel was before I did it. I know many people probably get different types of chemical peels, but yeah, check that one out if you missed it. And then let me know what other things that you're trying or you would like to see me try. And for my outfit today, I have on Pistola denim from a JB Stylebox. I have on an LNA top from a Trendsend. My shoes, I'm all out, but my feet are just, I have bruises from, I did pretty well in Vegas when I was there for that conference, but I had one pair of shoes that rubbed. It was like the first, that sandal pair. So anyway, I'm recovering from that. And then I wore shoes that had a strap this week, as you saw, that was in the exact same spot. So anyway, I'm wearing flip-flops today, long story. So I have on these fun Dolce Vita with the gold hardware. And my belt is the Loft. My jewelry is the same. The necklace my husband got me, I have on a bracelet stack. We're off. I will see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey everybody, it is Saturday, time for final outfit of the day. It is already a beautiful day at 8:30 in the morning. Sun is out. It is 65, getting up to 81. It's going to be a gorgeous day. And let's see, my Stitch Fix posted today. I love my Stitch Fixes. I have the Style Pass. They're always offering me quick turnaround boxes. I'm always grabbing them. And I feel like maybe I'll stick with this most recent stylist. Her name is Erin. We'll see. I've had a bunch of them lately. Overall, it was a fabulous box. She listened to me. She sent me brands that I love. And I didn't think I needed 2 yellow jackets. So I sent back the Z Supply and I kept the Michael Stars one. I thought it was a little bit different. I'm kind of enjoying the pale yellow. So I kept that. Loved the Michael Stars green top, but I already owned it. So I did keep the cut from the cloth green pants, which I'm in love with, that they'll go so nicely with. And let's see, I did love the Paige denim jacket, but the sizing was a little bit off, so I didn't keep that. I did keep the little Michael Stars tank, which I really enjoyed. I almost debated about keeping, I think it was called the pink, no, that was Michael Stars too, the oversized kind of dolman sleeved cream top, and then I decided not to. So I'm back and forth, and these are the 3 I landed on. Long story, right? Okay, so those are my keepers. For my outfit today, I said it's going to get up to 80, right? I broke out another dress. This dress is from Sanctuary. It came in a Trendsend. Paired it with a AG denim jacket I've had for quite a while. This is the Robin jacket. Got it at Bloomingdale's. And then my shoes, I did my pop of color with the shoes, but I went flats. These are by Dolce Vita. Got those in a Trendsend quite some time ago. And for jewelry, my normal. I have on my necklace and my bracelet stack, and we're off and running. And that's a wrap. That's a wrap this week on Outfit of the Day. Can't wait to hear what your favorites were. As always, I will list my outfits down below. I can link directly to an item I will. Many come from boxes, so I'll let you know which boxes, and all of those links are down below also. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.